This is Cyber Rick, and today we're going to be doing Tryhackme's DNS in detail. Learn how DNS works and how it helps you access internet services. Okay, starting off, what is DNS? Domain Name System. It provides a simple way for us to communicate with devices on the internet without having to remember the complex numbers. So you can read through this information and see, instead of having to memorize these numbers, you can just memorize tryhackme.com. What does DNS stand for? Right up here, Domain Name System. Domain Hierarchy. Starting with the root domain. Okay. So as you can see, the root domain is this dot here. And then to the left of that is going to be your top level domain, such as .com. And to the left of that is your second level domain, such as Tryhackme. And to the left of that is the subdomains. As you notice here, you can only use A through Z, 0 through 9. Cannot start or end with hyphens. What is the max length of a subdomain? It says it up here. Yeah, 63 characters. Which of the following characters cannot be used in a subdomain? Underscore. The maximum length of a domain name, 253. Right here. What type of top-level domain is .co.uk? This was up here earlier, I saw it. Yes. This is what they call country code top-level domain. Record types. So DNS records. You've got the A record, which resolves the IPv4 address. For example, this one here. AA record. This is going to resolve the IPv6 addresses. You can see the difference in the way that they look. A CNAME record, canonical name. Basically saying Tryhackme's online shop has a subdomain of store.tryhackme.com, which returns a CNAME of record shops.shopify.com. MX records, these resolve to the address of the servers that handle the email. And text records, multiple purposes, but usually leading to the authority to send an email on behalf of the domain, which ties into SPF, Sender Policy Framework, so you can tell if someone is sending you spam or not. What type of record would be used to advise where to send email? MX. And the IPv6 is the AAA record. So you can see when you're making a DNS request, first it's going to check local cache. Then it will go to a recursive DNS server, which is usually provided by your ISP. If it's in that local cache, then that's the end of the search. But if it's not, it's going to go to a root server. So they'll go to the root server, and this is going to have all the information on the top level domains, such as .com. Now the top level domain server will hold all the records. It will know where to find the authoritative server. And the authoritative server is a server that's responsible for holding the DNS records for that particular domain name. What field specifies how long a DNS record should be cached for? Time to live, right here. What type of DNS server is usually provided by your ISP? Recursive. And what type of server holds all the records for a domain? This is authoritative. Moving on to the practical portion, let's start this one up here. So we're going to use this on the right here to make DNS queries. So you'll notice that it already says website.thm. So we have to be careful when we're looking at a domain to put the subdomain over here. And when we only want to look at the second level domain, that we don't add anything here. So what is the CNAME of shop.website.thm? So THM is top level domain, second level subdomain. So what we need to put here is CNAME and then shop. So notice how it put shop here. And the canonical name is shops.myshopify.com. Next one, we're just looking at the second level domain. So what is the value of the text record? So this is just the second level domain, and we get this flag here. Now we need to look for MX record. And it is 30. This is the priority value. For this next question, we need to look at the A record and put in the subdomain of www. And here we go. Let's exit out of this. Okay, so that was the Tryhackme walkthrough for DNS in detail. Pretty good room, pretty simple room, pretty self-explanatory. So I just wanted to put this out here, help anyone who is in the beginning stages of being interested in cybersecurity and trying to get into the field. So I wanted to say you guys have a great day, and check back later for more videos just like this. All right, thank you.